Hi, I'm Scott Camp with ViewSonic. I'm a solutions engineer. Right in front of us here we have at InfoComm 2026, we have the LDP163. This is a 4K model. This is our brand new cutting edge, the absolute bleeding edge, the MIP. So this is the MicroLED in package. So this is going to be the best contrast, energy efficiency, tightest pixel pitch. This one right here is actually a 0.9 millimeter pixel pitch. And we do also offer an even larger size.
How good is the quality?
So this is a fantastic quality. This is going to be an even higher brightness than our last generation. So these are going to be the, I believe, 800 plus nits when these are fully launched on the market.
Is it 135 or what is the inch?
This is 163 inch.
163, 4K.
Yes.
And what's the contrast, like crazy good? Is it better than like an OLED?
These are going to be the cutting edge for direct view LED here. This is the MIP is the leading technology. So these are actually going to be on market at the end of the year.
So peak brightness is also amazing.
Yep. So that's the nits. That's going to be roughly the 800 plus nits.
And then you have all the HDR support. So it's pretty much like the best professional, but even high-end also.
Correct.
Consumer kind of like installation possible?
And so we have this as an all-in-one. So this includes everything. So this is mounts, the control bar, in this case the detachable control box we actually have tucked behind.
It's somewhere behind there.
And that's a speaker bar that includes the power supply, the processor, all the inputs and outputs, any of the controls for third-party control systems that you would need to have. They're all going to be in that box. I'm sorry?
What is the engine to drive the LED?
So this is a custom processor that we have.
So you can just plug in some HDMI source?
Yes. So this has 4 HDMI ports. So it actually has an OS in it, so you can set it up to do picture by picture, and you can do 4 different quadrants on it.
Is it Google TV?
It's an Android open source platform.
But you can have all the apps?
Yes. Yep, you can sideload any of the apps you want for it. Or you can use it as a standalone.
Can you use it for video games?
Yes, you can use it for video games. We
Very
have
high refresh, right?
Yes. So
As
the refresh rate on this
works.
is 3,840 hertz.
Okay.
So it's
that should be enough.
That should be enough. But strangely enough, this technology, the MIPS technology, can actually do even higher than that. Good luck finding a graphics card that will run 3,000 frames per second. Good luck on that.
It'd be cool if there was cameras on each side, and somehow with AI magic, you can look in the eye of a video conference in 4K, see somebody right there. Does that make any sense?
Yes, that would be an interesting tech. Let me know when you have a product, and
I don't know if that works.
I'll back your Kickstarter.
All right, I'll just put a camera in front of it and just talk. Yeah, cool. So let's walk around.
Sure.
Which other LEDs you have here?
So that's our top of the line. We also do have our slightly more entry level, the LDE, which is around the corner here. So the LDE, this one is a slightly smaller one. This is 136 inch. This is the LDE 136, shockingly enough. And this is part of it being a more entry level product, more budget friendly, is that we don't have a control bar on it. So it sits very flush to the wall. You can see there's no control bar. The speakers, the actual control board, all of the input and output, it's all tucked behind the display itself, inside the display. So this does not have an OS on it. It doesn't have that picture-by-picture option. This is for when you already have a speaker system, you already have a control system. You don't need that, that's just redundant. So we're able to take that out and cut costs on it. So this just is functioning like a basic monitor. So you have 2 HDMI ins. You still have a control port.
Is 2K or Full HD?
This is a 1920 1080. So this is a full HD. Yep.
But it looks very good.
Yes. So a lot of customers, when I do installs on these, we see that they're very blown away by how bright and clear it is compared to an LCD screen, or even worse, a projector. Because projectors are never going to be as bright. The LCD screen, even if it shows as many nits as this one does, this is about 600 nits. Even if they're as bright, they're going to be not as clear because you're seeing it filtered through that LCD. Whereas this, you're looking directly at the pixels. They're going to be much brighter and clearer. You have to get very close before you can see individual pixels on it. So this is
nice.
going
It's
to
a
be
ViewSonic logo.
Yes.
How's a serviceability? If you get like a little dead corner pixel something,
Yep.
can you just replace that?
Yes, so all the tiles, we actually have a suction cup tool, so you can actually pull the tiles out. They attach magnetically, and they have a single connector in the middle. So they just kind of stick on with the magnets, and then you can use the suction cup tool to pull it off.
And you ship it with a few backup tiles?
So all of our all-in-ones like this, all of our DVLED products, they ship with 5% spares. All of them
Which
also...
is enough to keep it for many years. And
Yes.
anytime you get a defective little tile, you send it to swap?
Yes. So if you damage them, all of ours are factory tested and calibrated. So they all ship with their calibration for brightness and color. So there's no in the field calibration you need to do. They also have these are all glue on board, so they all have the protective epoxy coating on them. And it actually protects it. It gives it an IP and an IK rating so that you can touch it. It feels nice and smooth. It's not too hot. And you're protected from banging on it and things like that.
Nice. Should we go to that one?
Sure. So this one is actually our mobile solution. So this is actually our 4th generation, and this is once again our InfoComm best of show. And this is 136 inch, so it's the same size, but this one is quite different in that it actually has these sides that fold with our patented hinge system. So these sides fold in, and this is a motorized stand, so you can actually drop it all the way down so it fits through a standard door frame. About half the cost of this one is actually going to be the motorized stand, but also the flight case, and you can see the flight case around the corner there. We have a couple of videos up already, promo videos showing that you can take the entire display in and out of the case in about 10 minutes with 2 people. So it's great for events or shows like this one. And this whole flight case is included. It's a very, very durable flight case.
Put it in a little pickup truck?
Yeah. If you can get it on and off the truck, yeah, absolutely.
Or something?
Yep. We have a lot of rental companies that have purchased these.
What's
and
the
they
weight when it's fully loaded with the...
It's definitely a couple hundred pounds. I can double check on the side here. So totally full, this is 580 pounds. So it's definitely hefty. You better be eating your Wheaties if you're going to take it off the pickup truck. But yeah, it's definitely doable. We have the video here showing our team actually loading it into our headquarters because our headquarters only has a passenger elevator and we're on the 2nd floor. So we took it out of the case because the elevator is about as big as the case is, and we managed to roll it into the elevator, standard 7-foot elevator, and take it up and roll it straight out.
That's so cool. So we're in a professional show right now, but I want to see these in 4K just delivered to people's homes, cheap, not too expensive.
I want to see that
It's gonna happen,
too.
right?
Yeah, yeah. When I can get this as a 4K TV or an 8K TV and just put it in my living room.
Absolutely. Oh yeah, 8K of course, it needs to be 8K.
Yeah, 8K. Well,
but with the MIP you're talking about, the future is bright, right? I mean,
yes.
It's going to be. It's a lot of things are going to happen, right?
Yes.
With the even more smaller dot page. What do you see here?
So we've focused mostly on our all-in-ones where everything is kind of built to be off the shelf. We have a couple of standardized sizes and they're already configured for a certain size and a certain pixel pitch. If it turns out you want something different, you need a higher pixel pitch than we particularly offer. If you need it to be 2K for something, or you want, especially like we're showing here, you want an irregular screen, so not a 16:9. We actually have these modules. It's a very modular system, and we can build custom configurations for you. And we have calculators and designers that you can work with us to get a custom design built.
And what else do you show here at the booth?
So we have a variety.
We can walk around this way.
Sure.
Yeah, maybe you can go there.
I don't want to get in front of Cal
we
here.
We can just jump through. Yeah, and we go through here. So these are projectors, DLP, right? ViewSonic is very famous for the DLP.
These are actually our laser projectors. Yep.
Yeah. All right, so you got projectors.
We have that monitor behind Stephanie over there is actually our folding monitor. It's a dual screen monitor. And we have that set up so that you can use
I'll just jump in for 1 second. So it's like folding with a Type-C input source. And sorry, interrupted for 1 second. Yeah, looks cool. Okay, let's continue the tour.
Sorry.
Right there. What do we see here?
So we have a variety of monitors here that we're showing different content on. This is one of our ultra wides that we actually have in portrait mode. So this is actually a 21 by 9. In this case, it's 9 by 21. So we're showing it as vertical content.
These are LCDs?
Yes, these are all LCDs, these ones on this wall. And the rest of these are our 31 series, where they are commercial grade displays. They do have an OS. That one's the 30 series, I believe that one's the 14 series. A few less features. They're both 24/7 rated displays.
And video conferencing is streamlined.
Yes, so these are our new G3. So these are going to be our OS-less displays. So they are, again, just kind of a basic monitor, and they're meant to be very budget friendly and do especially set up for this for like conference room where you have another module doing the compute rather than doing it in the display.
Nice. Here's education, like touch systems.
So these are all of our IFP. These are our interactive flat panels. They're all running the EDLA, and they're running the My Viewboard software. So My Viewboard Whiteboard. These are, because they're EDLA, these all have the Google Play Store, so you can get all the apps in there. And they have all of the user login security protections that you'd expect from Google, like a Google tablet or phone.
What's the manager?
So Manager is actually our software that comes pre-installed. Manager Basic is pre-installed on all of our devices within OS. And so you can actually use this web page to manage them. So you can view their online, offline status, give them firmware updates.
Add some apps?
What's that?
Put them some apps on it?
Yep, you can load or remove apps. You can actually control what users are allowed to use what apps. We do have the Manager Advanced, which is a per-device subscription that allows you to do broadcasting basic digital signage, as well as have more management of the users who can broadcast.
And up there, some also LEDs, huh?
Yes. So on the two corners that we passed, as well as up here, we have examples of our custom DVLED solution. That's our LDC product. And so we have them all synced on another third-party player and running the same content for the show here. So you can see this wraparound display, as well as those wraparound corners that we had over.
If you can just finish the video over here,
sure,
in front of what you started with. So how exciting do you think is the future of your business with stuff like this?
So ViewSonic has been around for 35 plus years. We started with monitors. That's still what most people know us for, but we're really moving into the DVLED space, and we've got some very competitive cutting edge technologies. I'm definitely excited about what we have coming up in the next couple of years for ViewSonic.
And I guess some customers have been around and really saying, how can we get it, right?
Yes, so we're going to be launching this towards the end of the year. I believe we'll be getting stock for the very beginning of 2027.
163 inch?
Correct.
I hope it's less than 163K.
I hope so too.
You cannot talk about price?
I don't know the pricing at this point.
Okay, cool.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.